Hey guys! Welcome to my beautiful channel. Grow with elearn. In previous lecture we had learnt about HTML documents, the JDocType declaration, HTML headings, HTML paragraphs, HTML links, HTML images. Now, in today's lecture we will learn about HTML elements, nested HTML elements, empty HTML elements, HTML tag reference. Don't worry if you don't know anything about this. I will teach with some example code. I will write a sample code on each topic. Please don't skip the video, maybe the video can bit longer, but every second of the video is useful. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, we will learn about HTML elements, then we will learn about what is HTML elements, and so on. Starting the lecture with HTML element. Let's see about HTML element. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Tag name content goes here, /tag name. Examples of some HTML elements are: H1 is start tag, my first heading is content and /H1 is end tag. Similarly, P is start tag, my first paragraph is content and P is end tag. Note some HTML elements have no content like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Now I will write the code. Okay, now we will move on to our next topic, which is nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. The following example contains 4 HTML elements. HTML, body, H1 and P. Okay guys, now I will write the code. I will write the sample code. Now our next topic is: never skip the end tag. Some HTML elements will display correctly, even if you forget the end tag. However, never rely on this. Unexpected results and errors may occur if you forget the end tag. Now I will write a code. Now, we will discuss about empty HTML elements. HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. This is the sample code of empty HTML element. Now we will discuss about HTML is not case sensitive. HTML tags are not case sensitive. Uppercase P also means the same as lowercase p. The HTML standard does not require lowercase tags, but I recommends lowercase in HTML, and demands lowercase for stricter document types like XHTML. Now our next topic is HTML tag reference. Now I will defines the tag. HTML defines the root of an HTML document. Body defines the document's body. H1 to H6 defines HTML heading. Here we come to the end of the lecture. Hope you have enjoyed and learn about HTML. We will meet in another lecture. Don't miss to watch my upcoming lecture. Like the video and comment the doubts. Subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Bye.